Get ready with me for Silvester Abend. And today I'm gonna glam up. I'm gonna look extra beautiful. So I'm gonna. So I am done, and this is my final look for Silvester Abend. So guess what? Last year I couldn't travel. Ah, This is my final look. Last year I couldn't travel for Silvester, and so I had to celebrate Silvester in Landshut. 2 years ago, I think I celebrated in Passau, and this time around, I am going out of Passau to celebrate Silvester Abend. I am so excited, very excited. So, without wasting much time, I'm done. I have to meet my friend at the Bahnhof. So let's head to the Bahnhof. Let's head to the train station, okay? I just got to the Bahnhof and there's literally no one here. We're gonna join this train. My friend doesn't want to appear in the video.
Yeah, so I don't want to appear in the video.
I don't know why. She will appear by force.
I will appear by force. Hi guys.
We just got to Munich, Hauptbahnhof, and there are still people here. See around, there are people around, not like Passau. Yeah. We are going to wait for one other friend, then we continue the journey. Let's see what happens here on the first night in Munich. But I'm looking good though. I'm really excited to be here because I've always wanted to celebrate Silvester Abend here in Munich. So let's see what actually happens. Oh my god! See the lights. The lighting is making me. I'm gonna wait for you. See, the Bahnhof is busy. It's busy with people moving all around. So we are going to take the U-Bahn or the U7 to Olympia. Where are we going again?
Olympia Park.
Yeah, we are going to Olympia Park.
You know, Sunah is always late.
I'm videoing you.
Okay.
Hello.
So where's your friend?
Yes, this is my friend.
Hello.
Hi, pleasure to meet you. Hello.
He's coming. I cooked halfway through, then I will cook menu.
We've been waiting for you.
I told you.
Hello.
Hi. You've been waiting for me.
Hello. Hi. Is it the one you are bringing to me?
Yeah, these two are not for you. These two are for you.
Followers, these faithful followers.
Sorry?
Sunan's faithful followers.
Sunah's faithful followers.
He's our boss.
This is Sunan.
Hi.
How are you? Straight from the tennis.
Official language of Kenya is English.
But you don't drink.
And
You don't drink.
and I bought this for you. I bought halal drinks.
You brought halal drink?
Halal drinks. Yeah. Till now, he visited Kenya.
That's the only word he knows it. What is that? I've never seen a pink Coke before.
One red, one yellow.
Is this red? This is pink.
Yeah, whatever. Oh, sorry.
Genau.
Huh?
He's so quiet.
No. This is our observer. This is the observer of my gang. Okay? I have one more member.
You know it's not really cold in Munich, right?
Much experience.
Why are you dressed this way? It's not cold.
It will be really cold there.
It's not going to be cold. Do you know where we are coming from? I see some connection going on here.
Wrap it up. You couldn't what? Finish the rice. But I cook rice. And cut the vegetables.
Robin Hood, are you always this quiet? Are you always this quiet?
No. I don't know what happened. What's happening? Because you were speaking like really good, like 5 minutes
Maybe
ago.
my beauty just
Yeah.
made him, you know.
It's okay. Now he can't.
You can't say anything.
He lost words.
Yeah.
One found all the words and one lost all the words. See what you did to my gang.
Oh.
My gang is kaput.
The lights come up.
The latecomer, yeah, always the latecomer. You can trust, like, you can trust the sun to rise in the east and me to come late. Always. I like it. I like to be late. It's fun.
Being late is a heritage now.
It's the signature of our gang. These guys are also late.
Tobias also know both of us about a late night.
Tobias means our
But I never late.
I get money from there, man. How much?
What?
If you say you give me money, I would come. Maybe I would come earlier.
So in Bangladesh, the name would be late Lotif.
Late Lotif.
No. That's offensive. What is it? Why?
We are still lost. So which one are we picking?
We can just take this. No. Which one? We can just take this. We get off right in the.
Which one is this?
U3. This one.
U3. Then we get down where?
We get down in the just in front of the BMW, and then we walk. Yeah. Inside. We can walk. We can walk. It is not a.
So we are going with Sunah's plan. If anything happens, I'm going to hold you responsible. Because right now, I don't have my thinking cap on. I have my wig on. So the U-Bahn is here and we are going. See, everybody is going to that side. Yeah, it's this one. It's this one. Now, I am confident it's this one. Man. The whole of Munich is here, trust me. We are just following the crowd. Yeah, it's just a breeze. It's not cold. Is it cold? I think we are almost here. Yeah.
Please. Stay close, okay? We came to the.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we are walking to where exactly?
Yeah?
Where are we walking to?
The highest peak of the park.
I thought it was very close, but what I didn't know was that we were going to hike more than 30 minutes to get to that point.
Okay, we go from this.
Where from here?
Here. Like we have to go that way. Yeah.
What does it mean?
That means ghosts fuck them every day. You know? But in a good way, not in a bad way. Okay?
It's not even 12 o'clock and the fireworks here is crazy. And I'm freezing cold. Oh my god. My fingers are freezing.
Me too.
But if I put on my gloves, I'm not going to be able to vlog. So yeah. We are still going. We are almost at the top. Oh my god, it's kind of a steep slope.
You there, don't push me. Please.
Oh my god.
Where's your friend? Your friend?
Fatima. And we are still going. There's so many people here. After climbing that hill, oh my god. You should see the number of people here. Oh my god, see the view. Fatima. Come. Yeah. Let's get some.
But I think we need to take the other side. Yeah.
So Sunah is not drunk after all. Because I mean, how does he wait for us to get here and then he says you are not supposed to pick? Is this one? Are you sure? I don't even know what to say. Are you guys serious?
Yes. We are moving outside.
You guys should come in. Come in. Come in. Come here. At this point, I'm not feeling my eyes anymore.
Okay, I'm doing.
Hello.
Friends. Hi.
Hello, Viderl.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, many happy returns. So we came to my friend's place and Git, thank you so much for everything. He made some. What did you make?
This is
What is that? Okay. And this is
brownie.
okay, and this is brownie and then fried rice. What's that?
This is chicken devil.
Chicken devil.
Yeah.
Oh my god. And this is fried rice. And
Now it's just me.
wow. And this one is
This is someone. This is like all people eat this. Yes. This is. You.
say Happy New Year in your language. What are you looking at? Thank you. Chop time, no friend. I'm gonna eat. I'm going to eat now. What's the time? You can't do what? How? You have to enjoy it in the process. I'm not videoing, I'm videoing myself.
It's now.
I'm waiting for you. I'm after you.
Oh, yeah, go
Guys.
and eat. I want you to go and eat first.
Yes. Take. Don't worry, I have some. I have a small rice. Hello.
Hi.
guys.
Happy New Year. You see your life.
Yeah, my man.